Okay, so let's go ahead and look at creating an order from this particular project for packages. We're ready to go on this. We've cropped, we've edited, everything's ready to go. We've got one issue we need to deal with. You'll notice at the bottom of the fields, the school name field is highlighted in red for all the subjects. And that's because there's a required school name field for package N, which they've all got a package N. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Command A to select all the images. Right click, come down here to my edit field value option, and the selected field that I want to edit is the school name, so I'm just going to tap the S key to bring up the school name field. Hit the tab key to take me down to the enter value field, and I'm going to type in SCA. Whoops. And then hit my return key, and everybody's school name field has been populated with the school name. So let's go ahead and create this package order, and that's under the project menu option. Come down to create package order. Do I want to create my order from all 40 images? Say OK. Okay, so on our package order screen now, we've got the account number. I'm going to put in my studio reference number. It's not a rush. You'll notice that the order description is already filled out for me. It's the crop demo project, and I'm ordering packages. I can change that if I wish, or I can leave it the way it is. We've done that again as to kind of help you with the naming conventions that you use for your order description, so you don't always have to fill it in. You can change it if you want. It's just as simple as just highlighting that and putting in, a change. I can change that, abbreviate it, let's say. Packages. Whoop. Okay, color correction, I'm going to select standard. Services, options, and job services are basically the same as what you had in Easy Event 8. Ready to deliver envelopes, close, portrait. Ready to deliver label. I don't need any of these job services. We're not auto-posting, anything like that. What I want to make you aware of is the sort information down at the bottom. We've built some mistake proofing into it so that we get more valid sorts from our customers, because a lot of times people don't understand how the sorting works, and they might put in an invalid sort, which will cause the order to get kicked out to customer service, and then someone has to make a call to try to determine what kind of sort you really wanted. So in order to avoid that and avoid those delays, we've built some mistake proofing in here. So by default, if I come in here and if I want to sort these by last name, well, last name doesn't give me any other option than just to select last name or first name. I can't select any banding, or I can't have them bundled at all. If I come in here and if I select a more appropriate, let's say grade, and then teacher, and then last name, which would be more typical of what you see for a school. Now I have two options for banding, either grade or teacher. And what that means is we're going to, create a bundle wrapped band by teacher, so it'd be easier for you to hand those out. Or your other option would be to select grade. So when you look at these fields, the yellow ones are the ones that are actually available for banding. The other ones are not. So if I'm going to select something like first name, then all other options go away. The only thing I can do is have them sorted by first name with no banding. So keep that in mind when you look at that. It's there for a purpose, to basically mistake-proof the sort selection process, so nothing will get in the way of slowing down the process. So I'll go ahead and hit complete and prepare. It gives me a real quick order summary for me to review. Everything looks good. Hit OK. And this is going to walk me through the finalization of this particular order, and I'm going to go ahead with the intention of uploading. Hit my arrow. Coupon code, there is none at this point in time, but if you have one at some point for hhschools, that's where you would enter it. And it's creating the order zip file at this point, so keep in mind if it's a large order, it's going to take a little bit of time to zip up. Okay, it tells me that my order, such and such number, was prepared and is located in such and such folder. Click OK. I can upload this order now or later. I'm going to choose to upload now. And you see how it brings up the actual transfer dialog, and it's starting that transfer for me right now. I can cancel that so it doesn't upload. Or if I wanted to, I could come here under Schools, Projects, Upload Order, Add File, and these are all my package orders. I could select that one to upload from that point and maybe do it at a later date, that sort of thing. Okay? So that's kind of a brief overview of where some things are that you're used to from Easy Event 8 and where they're located in HH Schools.